Good day to you, my people. You are welcome to Yoruba language class. My name is Femi Ajakaye, your Yoruba language teacher. Ẹ kú dédé wòyí gbogbo ẹ̀yin ènìyàn mi. Orúkọ mi ni Femi Ajakaye, tí ṣe tíṣà Yorùbá yín. A kú ọjọ́ mẹ́ta. Ní episode tí a ṣe kọjá, ibẹ̀ ni a ti kọ́ wa nípa alifábẹ́ẹ̀tì Yorùbá. Bí a bá rántí dáadáa, a sọ̀rọ̀ nípa A, B, D, E, F, G, B, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, C, T, U, W, Y. If you try to remember, in our last episode, we tried to discuss the alphabet we have in Yoruba language, starting from A to Y, and we try to analyze the alphabets that we have in Yoruba language. If you have not watched the episode, please scroll up and check that episode. Just type Yoruba language class episode 1, Yoruba language class episode 1, or when you scroll up you will see that episode. Now we are going to learn how to construct Yoruba words. How to construct Yoruba words. In Yoruba language, we have vowel sounds and we also have consonant sounds. We have those two. They have those two sounds in Yoruba in English language, so as we have it in Yoruba language. We have vowel sounds and we have consonant sounds. Ní àwọn class tí a ti ṣe kọjá sẹ́yìn, a ti sọ̀rọ̀ fún wa nípa alifábẹ́ẹ̀tì Yorùbá, a sì ti gbìyànjú láti yànnàná rẹ̀. Ẹni tí ò bá ti wò ó kó lọ sókè kó yẹ̀ wò, yóò rí episode tí a ti ṣàlàyé nípa alifábẹ́ẹ̀tì Yorùbá. Ibẹ̀ ni a ti yànnàná tí a ti fún wa ní àwọn àpẹẹrẹ. Ní episode tí ó kàn yìí, ibẹ̀ ni a ó ti ṣàlàyé nípa báwo ni Yorùbá ṣe máa ń ṣẹ̀dá ọ̀rọ̀. Àtòpọ̀ àwọn fáwẹ̀lì wa àti àwọn kọ́nsọ́nàtì wa, àwọn ló fún wa ní ọ̀rọ̀ tí à ń sọ. Bí a ṣe ní nínú èdè Yorùbá, bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni wọ́n ṣe ní inú èdè òyìnbó. Fún àwa tí kò bá ti yé tàbí àwa tó ti yé tí a tún fẹ́ kọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ kan àbí méjì sí, ẹ jẹ́ ká farabalẹ̀ ká máa bá mi lọ. What I mean is, if you don't have any idea about how to construct Yoruba language, please try to follow me. And if you have the idea and you wish to have more knowledge about how to construct Yoruba words, we have 25 alphabets in Yoruba language. We have 7 vowel sounds and we have 18 consonant sounds. We have A, E, I, O, U. That's 7 vowel sounds that we have in Yoruba language. We have A, I, O, U. Others are consonant sounds. Others are what? Are consonant sounds. So if you try to deduct that 7 vowel sounds out of the 25 alphabets that we have in Yoruba language, it will automatically remain 18 alphabets. Those 18 alphabets are consonant sounds. We have B, D, E, J, K, L, M, N, P, R, C, T, àti G. So we have 18 consonant sounds in Yoruba language, while we have 7 vowel sounds in Yoruba language. Nínú èdè Yorùbá, a ní kọ́nsọ́nàǹtì, a sì ní fáwẹ́lì. Fáwẹ́lì jẹ́ oríṣi méje, àwọn tí í ṣe A, E, I, O, U. Àwọn tó bá lọ rú iléèwé táwa lọ, a ti máa fi kọrin, a máa fi kọrin pé A, E, I, O, U. Tí a bá yọ àwọn fáwẹ́lì méje yìí kúrò nínú alifábẹ́ẹ̀tì mẹ́ẹ̀ẹ́dọ́gbọ̀n tí a ní nínú èdè Yorùbá, ó túmọ̀ sí pé yóò kù alifábẹ́ẹ̀tì méjìdínlógún. Àwọn alifábẹ́ẹ̀tì méjìdínlógún tó ṣẹ́kù yìí, àwọn gangan ni a mọ̀ sí consonant sounds. Àwọn gangan la mọ̀ sí consonant. Àwọn ni ìró consonant. Àpapọ̀ ìró consonant àti fáwẹ́lì yìí àwọn ni a máa ń papọ̀ nínú èdè Yorùbá tí a fi máa ń rọ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí à ń sọ jáde lẹ́nu. Ní báyìí ẹ jẹ́ ká gbìyànjú láti yẹ àwọn nǹkan kan wò. Bí a bá sọ pé ajá fún bí àpẹẹrẹ, okay, the combination of those vowel sounds and consonant sounds will surely give us our words in Yoruba language. When we combine the vowel sounds with the consonant sounds, that is when we get the words that we want to construct. For example, now if you want to construct dog, aja in Yoruba language, dog, which is aja in Yoruba language, aja, we have a, g, a. We firstly have a, we have g, a which is a in English language. We have a, we have g, we have a. Automatically, this a plus j plus a will surely give us aja. Firstly, we have vowel sound which is a, following by g, which is j in English, plus another vowel sound which is a, another ha. By pronouncing them together will surely give us aja, which means dog. Another example is owo. We have o, we have we, but in Yoruba language we call it we. We have o, we have we have o. So combination of o plus we plus another vowel sound which is o give us owo. By combining both vowel sound and consonant sounds together will surely give us our words. Another example is oju, eye, eyes, oju, oju. O, vowel sound o plus consonant sounds g, which is j, plus vowel sound u, automatically give us oju, which is eye, eyes. Head, ori, ori. Combination of vowel sound o plus consonant sound ri plus vowel sound e, which is I, give us ori. Now help us by subscribing to our channel. Click on subscribe button, tap the bell for notification so that whenever we upload our videos you will be updated. We have wa, come, wa. Consonant sound we, which is w in English, we, and vowel sound a, which is a in English, makes the combination of both two sounds give us the word wa, come, wa, w, a, which is in Yoruba we call it we are. So the combination of we are, which is w, a, give us wa, lo, go, lo, go. Consonant sound li, which is l, and o, give us lo, li, o, lo, je, eat. Consonant sound g and e. Consonant sound g, which is j, with vowel sound e, give us je, soon, soon, soon. Sleep. Consonant sound c, which is s, and un, un. That un mean soon, soon, soon. À ń pè àwọn ìró tó wà lẹ́yìn yẹn ní ìró à ń pè wọ́n ní ìró àwọn ìró àránmúpè wa. Àwọn nǹkan tí mo ti ń gbìyànjú láti ṣàlàyé sẹ́yìn ni pé àpapọ̀ kọ́nsọ́nàǹtì àti fáwẹ́lì àwọn ló máa ń fún wa ní ọ̀rọ̀ nínú èdè Yorùbá. Bí a bá wo àpẹẹrẹ ká sọ pé rà, bí a sọ pé rà, kí n ra nǹkan, to buy something, tó bá pé rà, kọ́nsọ́nàǹtì rí tí táwọn olóyìnbó ń pè ní haru àti àpapọ̀ fáwẹ́lì a tí àwọn olóyìnbó ń pè ní e, ìgbà tí a pa wọ́n pọ̀ tí a rò wọ́n papọ̀ òun ló fún wa ní ọ̀rọ̀ tí a mọ̀ sí rà. àpapọ̀ wọn ló fún wa ní ọ̀rọ̀ tí a mọ̀ sí rà. èyí túmọ̀ sí pé àpapọ̀ iṣẹ́ kọ́nsọ́nàǹtì àti iṣẹ́ fáwẹ́lì òun ló fún wa ní ọ̀rọ̀ tí a pè jáde. ìgbà tí a tò wọ́n papọ̀ la fi rí wọn pè. èyí kò rújú rárá tí a bá ti lè kíyèsí àwọn ìsọwọ́sọ̀rọ̀ wa. a rí pé bí mo ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí nísìnyí tí a bá fi òye gbé dáadáa a rí pé à ń rí fáwẹ́lì à ń rí kọ́nsọ́nàǹtì nínú àwọn nǹkan tí mò ń sọ. What I mean is, if we can listen to ourselves, we surely understand how to write our words down. Now, as you are listening to me now, as I'm talking to you now, if you try to listen vividly, you will discover that you can write what I'm saying, you can write them down. Now, for example, now you want to say ká lọ, ká lọ, ká lọ, follow me, ká lọ, ká lọ. You want to say ká lọ. Now, the first thing you have to know is you have to listen to yourself even before writing anything down. Ká lọ. You will now discover that something sounds like K, which is key in Yoruba language. Ká lọ. That means consonant sound K and vowel sound A and consonant sound Li and vowel sound O give us ká lọ. Bo. To cover something, bo. You will see that consonant sound B. You listen. If you listen very well, you will know that something sounds like consonant sound B with vowel sound O. Sorry, with vowel sound B, which is bo. 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 Arrive. Bo. Bo. Arrive. Bo. You will see something that sounds like consonant sound B and vowel sound O. Say to do something. Say something sound like consonant sound C with vowel sound A, which is say. Aga, vowel sound A, followed by consonant sound G, followed by vowel sound A. Aga. Chair. Chair. Abo, plate. Abo. If you listen very well, you will know that something sound like vowel sound A, followed by consonant sound B, followed by vowel sound O. Abo. Now, you want to say epele, like something like sorry, epele. You will see that we have vowel sound E, we have pele, consonant sound P, which is P, another vowel sound E, followed by consonant sound Li, now followed by vowel sound epele. I hope you are getting what I'm trying to say. Now, in Yoruba language, we have some rules that guide our words. The first rule is you must not put two consonant sounds beside each other. You can never see a correct word in Yoruba language that will have two consonant sounds beside each other. Something like Osogbo, Osogbo. In the olden days, they will put S, they will put H, which is E. They will put E, which is H, in front of S, Osogbo. In today's Yoruba language, if you want to write correct word, you must not put two. Another one is consonant sound must not be at the last of our words. You must not put consonant sounds at the end. You can put consonant sounds in front, like lo, like wa. You can put consonant sound at the middle, like awa, like aja, like iwo, like emi. But you must not put consonant sound at the end of the word in Yoruba language. Now let's try to use all 7 vowel sounds to construct words. The first one is ami, sign, ami. We have vowel sounds a plus consonant sound mi plus vowel sound i. Nínú èdè Yorùbá, a ní àwọn òfin kan tó rọ̀ mọ́ kíkọ èdè Yorùbá sílẹ̀. Alákọ̀ọ́kọ́ nínú àwọn òfin yẹn tí màá sọ fún wa lónìí, òun ni pé Yorùbá kì í fi consonant méjì sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ara wọn. O ò lè rí ibi tí wọ́n ti sọ pé bóyá láyé ìgbà kan náà máa ń kọ́ tí wọ́n sọ pé tí wọ́n kọ Òṣogbo tí wọ́n fi i síwájú s iwájú c yẹn. Láyé ìgbà kan nìyẹn wọ́n bá fẹ́ kọ Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ wọ́n fi h síwájú s. Ṣùgbọ́n láyé òde òní kò sí nǹkan tó jọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Èèyàn tó bá kọrú rẹ̀ ó ti gbé gbági. Consonant méjì kì í tẹ̀léra wọn nínú èdè Yorùbá. Ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì ni pé a kì í fi consonant parí èdè Yorùbá tí a bá fẹ́ kọ sílẹ̀. O ò lè rí ibi tí wọ́n ti fi consonant parí èdè Yorùbá kankan. Fáwẹ́lì ló máa ń parí èdè Yorùbá. Nígbà míì fáwẹ́lì máa ń bẹ̀rẹ̀. Ní báyìí ẹ jẹ́ ká gbìyànjú láti lo àwọn alifábẹ́ẹ̀tì wa tí a ní àwọn fáwẹ́lì wa tí a ní láti fi rọ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ bíi mélòó kan. Let's try to construct words with our vowel sounds. The first one is àmì, sign, àmì. We have vowel sound a, followed by consonant sound mi, followed by vowel sound i. Ayé, word, ayé. Vowel sound a, followed by consonant sound yi, which is y, followed by vowel sound a, which is e in English language. Ewé, leaf, ewé. Vowel sound a, followed by consonant sound wi, which is w, followed by vowel sound a, give us ewé. Ejò, snake. Vowel sound a, followed by consonant sound j, which is g in Yoruba language, followed by vowel sound o, give us ejò, which is snake. Egbò, wound. Consonant sound a, followed by vowel sound a, followed by consonant sound b, followed by vowel sound o, give us egbo, which is wound. Èmi, me, èmi. I'm talking about myself. Èmi. Vowel sound a, followed by consonant sound mi, followed by vowel sound e, give us èmi. Let's go to ẹ̀jẹ̀, blood, ẹ̀jẹ̀. Vowel sound followed by consonant sound j, which is g in Yoruba language, followed by vowel sound give us ẹ̀jẹ̀. Ẹja, fish, ẹja. Vowel sound followed by consonant sound g, which is j in English language, and consonants and vowel sound give us ẹja, fish. Ẹgbẹ́, group, ẹgbẹ́. Vowel sound followed by consonant sound b, followed by vowel sound give us ẹgbẹ́. Let's go to vowel sound e, which is I in English language. We have igi, tree, igi. We have vowel sound e, followed by consonant sound gi, followed by vowel sound e, which is igi. Ìgbà, time, ìgbà, time. We have vowel sound e, followed by consonant sound b, followed by vowel sound a, which is a in English language. Give us ìgbà, time. Vowel sound o. We have owó, money, owó, money. We have vowel sound o, followed by consonant sound wi, which is w in English, followed by vowel sound o, which is owó. Oko, farm. Vowel sound o, followed by consonant sound k, which is key in Yoruba language, followed by vowel sound o. Òpó, pole, òpó, pole. We have vowel sound o, we have consonant sound p, and we have vowel sound o. Let's go to ọwọ́, hand, ọwọ́, hand. We have vowel sound o, followed by consonant sound wi, which is w in English, followed by vowel sound o, give us ọwọ́. Ọlà, tàbí ọlá, wealth, ọlà. We have vowel sound o, followed by consonant sound li, followed by vowel sound a, give us ọlá or ọlà. Ọlá, tomorrow, ọlá. We have vowel sound o, followed by consonant sound li, followed by vowel sound o, means ọlá or ọlà. This using of u to start Yoruba words is not common, unless if you try to go to some side, some part of Yoruba land like Ìjẹ̀ṣà, Èkìtì, Ìlẹ̀ṣà, where we have udi, ule, usu, ukoko, ukoko, ule, ule. Ule will start with vowel sound u, which is u in Yoruba language, followed by consonant sound li, which is l, followed by vowel sound a, will give us ule. So we have some part of Yoruba language, Yoruba land that use u to start word, but it's not common. Using u to start Yoruba words is not what Yoruba people are using generally. So we have some part of Yoruba land which is like Ijesa, Ekiti, Ilesa, some part of Ondo State. They are also using u to start some of their words. Let's try to note some things. In Yoruba language, we can use two vowel sounds together, or 2 or 3 to 4 vowel sounds, like olore, olore, alaanu, ala, aanu. We have the aanu, double ha plus ni plus u. U, which is u, give us aanu, ala, aanu, oloore, oríire, ẹniire, èèyànre, àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Àwọn nǹkan tí mo gbìyànjú láti sọ fún wa ni pé nínú èdè Yorùbá a ní àwọn fáwẹ́lì wa wọ́n lè dúró sí ẹ̀gbẹ́ ara wọn. A lè ní àwọn fáwẹ́lì bíi mẹ́ta bíi méjì tó dúró sí ẹ̀gbẹ́ ara wọn. Bí a bá pe ọ̀rọ̀ bíi aláàánú, tí a bá pe ọ̀rọ̀ bíi olóore, tí a bá pe ọ̀rọ̀ bíi olóríire, tí a bá pe ọ̀rọ̀ bíi ẹniire, tí a bá pe ọ̀rọ̀ bíi èèyànre, tí a bá wo àwọn eléyìí a rí i pé àwọn fáwẹ́lì wa àwọn láǹfààní láti dúró sí ẹ̀gbẹ́ ara wọn, ṣùgbọ́n àwọn kọ́nsọ́nàǹtì wa wọn ò ní àǹfààní kankan bó tilẹ̀ kórí láti dúró sí ẹ̀gbẹ́ ara wọn. Bákan náà àwọn kọ́nsọ́nàǹtì wa kì í sì parí ọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá. Àwọn nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ ká fọkàn sí nínú kíláàsì yìí òun ni pé bí a bá wò dáadáa, bí èèyàn bá fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ jáde lẹ́nu, èèyàn ń láti fetí balẹ̀ sí nǹkan tóun gangan fẹ́ sọ kó fi lè mọ̀ bó bá ti fẹ́ kọ sílẹ̀. Alákọ̀ọ́kọ́ ni pé a ní láti kọ́kọ́ mọ àwọn álífábẹ́ẹ̀tì wa látòrí a títí dórí yí. A ní láti mọ̀ wọ́n dáadáa síwájú ká tó lè sọ pé a fẹ́ kọ́ nípa bí a ṣe ń to ọ̀rọ̀ pọ̀. Ọ̀rọ̀ tí a bá gbọ́ fúnra wa nínú ara wa síwájú ká tó sọ, òun ni a mọ̀ bí a ṣe fẹ́ kọ sílẹ̀. What I'm trying to say is, if you want to construct good words in Yoruba, you have to listen to yourself even before writing whatever you want to write down. You have to it's not that much for you to listen to yourself. So you have to listen to yourself to understand yourself even before. Now, ẹ jẹ́ kí a yẹ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ mẹ́ta kan wò. Alákọ̀ọ́kọ́ òun ni ebìràn, dòdòdò, ebìràn. Tí Yorùbá bá sọ pé ebìràn, ohun tó ń túmọ̀ sí ni ìkìlọ̀, warning. Ebìràn means warning. Ebìràn means warning. Another one is èéjánú, èéjánú. Èéjánú means anger. Èéjánú means anger. I hope you are enjoying this class. Please like this video. Confirm it, like this video, and please share this with your friends. Share this with your friends. If you have any question, as I said, you can drop it at the comment box or message your teacher on WhatsApp. Thank you very much. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook at Yoruba language class. Tisa Yoruba language class. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook at Tisa Yoruba, and follow your teacher on Instagram. Follow our channel on Instagram at Sojulore TV Africa. Apart from that, don't forget to like our page, share our page with your friends. Thank you very much. We shall meet in the next class. Goodbye. I love you. Bye. Let's meet at the next. Goodbye. We shall meet in peace in the next class. Thank you very much. Bye. I love you.